Bam! Alright? This is my homegirl Johnson. This is another one of them blue waffle reactions, alright? So, I'm gonna do this once and for all. This Johnson, she's in the car, she can't leave nowhere. Alright? So,
yeah, it's your boy Link Dogwood, 9 Trey South Green. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Dogwood on 175.
Yes, sir.
Casey, Crest, Illinois, Chicago, Illinois. Hey, y'all saw my reaction. I tried to tell my fellow shipmate here about it, and she still want to see it. So
I tried to warn her.
Hey, I'm telling you,
she not gonna want to take showers no more. Or baths.
My dreams are gonna be
on it. Or they gonna be blindfolded.
Wait, what you got to say to this?
I ain't gonna never eat no pussy. I don't care if I ever get ass. Fuck that shit.
Oh my god! Alright, ready? You ready? You ready, Johnson?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
God damn! Get that shit out my face! Get that shit out my face!
Hey man, I tried to tell her.
Alright man, we about to go to bed. About to go to bed.
Do not watch it if you really want your dreams haunted for the rest of your life.
Oh my god.
Damn.
I told her. Now she gotta take bath with blindfolds.
Who put that shit on the internet?
Woo! Love you guys.